Good morning. Hi, Health Coach Marie here. One-eyed coach. Hey, baby. Anyway, I'm here this morning because yesterday I had a really cool smoothie from this great place here in Naples, Florida, and I wanted to add a couple things to it. Yesterday was mostly getting in my vegetables, which was awesome. And I'm gonna add a little bit some special ingredients to help you achieve a little bit more protein if that's what you're looking for. So I'm going to use collagen protein powder, which helps with your eyes, your skin, your hair, and your nails. And it's also going to help with your joints. There's many good properties on collagen powder. So if you want more information, just email me at email@marievubernaccio.com and I'll send you all the information and the recipe. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're gonna add a little bit of coconut water, just a little bit. Remember, we need a little bit of sugar for our pancreas and our gallbladder to talk to each other. I use a really cool collagen powder from Forefront. I'm not an affiliate, but give them a call. Tell them you want to order this, and Health Coach Marie sent you. Oh wait, it has a little scooper in here. Hold on. So we're going to add 2 of these. Okay. Now yesterday I had cucumber, Trader Joe's, organic cucumbers. Check them out. Let me get my knife. Hang on. My apologies. I should have been prepared. But that's okay. We're going to put 1 in there. 1 little one. This is 1 serving. So, mint. Awesome. Take a couple of sprigs of those, depending on how you like it. And mint is really good for your digestion. So if you're someone that has a digestive issue, this would be great for you. So we're gonna throw that mint in there. And it's actually really cool because that's the main taste in this. So we don't wanna overpower it with anything. So we got kale, organic kale, and we're just gonna throw it in, right? What is that? I don't know, 2 cups. Let's say something like that. And then my choice today for spinach is frozen organic spinach. Frozen, why? Because it's gonna make it ice cold. Let's put about a cup in there. All that iron. Spinach has a lot of iron, remember? Remember Popeye? Popeye the Sailor Man? He had that. And then I'm gonna throw in some organic blueberries, okay? And our blueberries, frozen, make it nice and cold. I'm gonna put about half a cup. And blueberries are your antioxidants, low sugar berry, which I recommend to everyone that I coach, use berries. You know what, this little minty thing fell out. I'm gonna throw it in. She wants to be in there. So let's put that in there. So now is the fun part. If you don't have a Vitamix, go out and get one today. They're amazing and they make everything so smooth. But the other thing I wanted to talk about is if you want to juice this and you don't have a juicer, what you can do is add water, probably 8 to 10 ounces, depending, of filtered water, and then mix it and strain it through a strainer, and then you have your juice. So if you have a blender and you're thinking about buying a juicer, that's awesome. But if it's a budget concern, then just blend it with a little bit more water and then strain it, and then you got a juice. So there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the machine on. So I'm sorry, it's gonna be a little loud. But here we go. Add a little bit more coconut water because I think I only put like 4 ounces, so let's make it 8. There we go. Okay, here we go again. Okay, so as you can see, if you add a little bit too much frozen items, it becomes like a slush, and we don't want a slush. So I'm gonna get a little bit of filtered water. That's okay, because we got a lot of, I think I put a little bit too much vegetables in there, but that's very Italian. All right, here we go, yeah. Now, for something really interesting, I decided to add a little bit of coconut flakes because we need some fat in our diet. So we need fat for our brain health and our colon health. So you can add coconut oil if you want, but today I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut zest with coconut flakes, okay? So I picked these up yesterday. You can get them at Trader Joe's. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, you can find it at your health food store. I'm just gonna add, well, because it's so big, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons. Okay, there we go. That's good. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Hang on. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, God. Now, mine happens to be a very green this morning because I added the kale and the spinach. So, kale, what is it good for? Gosh, it has protein and your recommended vitamins and minerals in there, you know, your A, B, C's, D's, the alphabet. Spinach, awesome they have protein in it. Like when I posted my wrap, I broke down all the vegetables and how much protein is in vegetables. I bet you didn't know that. So I'll put down all the protein aspects of things if you're interested. And the blueberries, right? So blueberries are really good for you. I choose to eat organic just to make sure everything's clearer and cleaner in my system. And it's not expensive. So a lot of folks think that eating organic is very expensive. You know, there are some really cool places. And I have to mention, I took a tour of Walmart and they're starting to carry organic vegetables, berries, dry goods like the coconut flakes or coconut butter, things like that. So again, let's see, look at this. Oh my God. It looks pretty bad, but let me tell you, it's gonna be good going down. Let me give it a try. That's really good. And I can taste the mint. You know what I think I would add with this is a little bit of lemon. This would be really cool with a little bit of lemon and get the liver going and clear out things like that if you're not having a movement between all the vegetables in here and the mint and a little bit of lemon. I think that would really work out good. So anyway, One-Eyed Coach signing off. Have a great day. It's Friday. Celebrate. Take care of yourself. And remember to put that phone down. Not now, but put it down on the weekend and share it with your loved ones. There's a lot of talk going around about how everyone's on their phones, and especially me, I do the same thing. So put the phone down, enjoy life, enjoy the spirit of the energy of the outside world and your loved ones who are sitting right next to you. So again, if you need the recipe, email at marierubinaccio.com. Check out my website, marierubinaccio.com. If you don't know how to spell it, go check me out on Facebook and Instagram, Health Coach Marie. So signing off. Ciao, and I'll see you next time.